Welcome back, hustlers. In a world where opportunities abound and creativity fuels success, students are carving out the paths like never before. As the digital landscape evolves, so do the possibilities for entrepreneurial ventures. Whether you're seeking financial independence or aiming to explore your passions, 2024 offers a plethora of side hustles ripe for the taking. From the comfort of your dorm room to the bustling streets of your campus, the time to embark on your entrepreneurial journey is now. Join us as we unveil 3 electrifying side hustles tailored for students in 2024. Get ready to unleash your potential and redefine the meaning of hustle. Virtual Event Planning Assistant. As virtual events continue to thrive, students can capitalize on their organizational skills by offering virtual event planning assistance. From coordinating schedules to managing logistics, there's a burgeoning demand for individuals who can ensure seamless online gatherings. Platforms like Zoom and Eventbrite provide opportunities for virtual event coordination, while services like Asana and Trello help in managing tasks efficiently. Starting a virtual event planning assistant service as a student can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Assess your skills and interests. Determine your strengths and interests in event planning, organization, and communication. Assess your availability and commitment level to ensure you can balance your academic responsibilities with your side hustle. Research the market. Conduct thorough market research to identify the demand for virtual event planning services. Explore online forums, social media groups, and professional networks to understand the needs and preferences of potential clients, including businesses, organizations, and individuals hosting virtual events. Define your services. Determine the specific services you'll offer as a virtual event planning assistant. This could include tasks such as scheduling meetings, managing registrations, coordinating speakers, handling technical setups, and providing post-event support. Tailor your services to meet the diverse needs of your target audience. Build your online presence. Create a professional online presence to showcase your services and attract potential clients. Develop a professional website or utilize platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. Consider creating a portfolio of past projects and events to demonstrate your capabilities. Set your pricing structure. Determine your pricing structure based on the scope of services offered, the complexity of events, and your level of expertise. Consider offering flexible pricing options, such as hourly rates, package deals, or customized quotes based on client-specific requirements. Research industry standards and competitor pricing to ensure your rates are competitive yet profitable. Establish client relationships. Network and build relationships with potential clients by attending virtual events, joining relevant professional groups, and leveraging social media platforms. Reach out to event organizers, businesses, and organizations to introduce your services and offer assistance with their upcoming events. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and building trust with your clients. Invest in tools and resources. Invest in tools and resources to streamline your virtual event planning process. Consider using online scheduling software, project management tools, video conferencing platforms, and collaboration software to efficiently manage tasks, communicate with clients, and coordinate event logistics. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies in virtual event planning. Attend webinars, workshops, and online courses to enhance your skills and expand your knowledge base. Solicit feedback from clients and incorporate their suggestions to improve your services and deliver exceptional results. By following these steps and maintaining a proactive approach, you can successfully launch and grow your virtual event planning assistant business as a student. Starting a language translation and localization service as a student can be a viable and rewarding endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your venture. Assess your language proficiency and specialization. Determine the languages you are fluent in and your proficiency level in each language. Identify any specialized knowledge or expertise you have in specific industries or subject areas, as this can help you target niche markets. Research the market demand. Conduct thorough market research to identify the demand for language translation and localization services in your target market. Explore industries, businesses, and organizations that may require translation services for documents, websites, software, marketing materials, and multimedia content. Define your services and specializations. Define the specific services you will offer, such as document translation, website localization, software localization, audio, video transcription, and interpretation services. Consider specializing in certain industries or types of content to differentiate yourself from competitors. Build your language portfolio. Compile a portfolio showcasing your language proficiency and translation expertise. Include samples of your translated work across various mediums, such as documents, websites, marketing materials, and multimedia content. Highlight your ability to accurately convey meaning and maintain cultural nuances in your translations. Create a professional online presence. Establish a professional online presence to market your services and attract potential clients. Create a website that showcases your language skills, services offered, pricing structure, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms, professional networking sites, and online directories to promote your business and connect with clients. Set your pricing structure. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as the language pair, word count, complexity of the content, and turnaround time. Research industry standards and competitor pricing to ensure your rates are competitive yet profitable. Consider offering discounts for bulk orders or recurring clients to incentivize repeat business. Invest in translation tools and resources. Invest in translation tools and resources to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Utilize computer-assisted translation (CAT) tools, dictionaries, terminology databases, and style guides to streamline the translation process and maintain consistency across projects. Market your services effectively. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience and generate leads for your business. Utilize digital marketing tactics such as content marketing, email campaigns, social media advertising, and search engine optimization to increase your online visibility and attract potential clients. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build trust and credibility with your clients. Respond promptly to inquiries, communicate effectively throughout the translation process, and address any feedback or concerns in a professional manner. Strive to exceed client expectations and deliver high-quality translations that meet their specific requirements. Continue learning and professional development. Stay updated on industry trends, language developments, and emerging technologies in the field of translation and localization. Participate in language courses, translation workshops, and professional development programs to enhance your skills and stay competitive in the marketplace. By following these steps and maintaining a commitment to excellence, you can successfully launch and grow your language translation and localization service as a student. Starting a virtual fitness coaching and personal training business as a student can be an excellent way to share your passion for health and wellness while earning income. Here's a guide to help you get started. Assess your skills and qualifications. Evaluate your knowledge and experience in fitness, including any certifications, training programs, or relevant coursework you have completed. Ensure that you have a solid understanding of exercise science, anatomy, physiology, and nutrition. Define your target audience. Determine the demographic you want to serve with your virtual fitness coaching services. Consider factors such as age, fitness level, goals, and specific needs, e.g., weight loss, muscle gain, sports performance. Tailor your services to meet the unique requirements of your target audience. Choose your service offerings. Decide on the types of virtual fitness coaching and personal training services you will offer. This may include one-on-one training sessions, group fitness classes, personalized workout plans, nutritional guidance, and accountability coaching. Consider offering packages or subscriptions to incentivize long-term commitment from clients. Set up your virtual platform. Choose a reliable virtual platform for conducting training sessions and communicating with clients. Options include video conferencing software like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet, as well as fitness-specific platforms like Trainerize or MyPT-Hub. Familiarize yourself with the features of your chosen platform to ensure smooth and effective communication with clients. Create your brand and online presence. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your values, expertise, and unique selling proposition as a virtual fitness coach. Create a professional website or landing page where clients can learn more about your services, view testimonials, and book appointments. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to share valuable content, engage with your audience, and attract potential clients. Market your services effectively. Implement a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your virtual fitness coaching business. Utilize a combination of online and offline tactics, including social media marketing, content creation, email campaigns, influencer partnerships, and community outreach. Leverage your personal network and existing connections to generate referrals and word-of-mouth recommendations. Price your services competitively. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as your level of experience, the complexity of your services, and the prevailing market rates in your area. Consider offering introductory rates or discounts for new clients to encourage them to try your services. Be transparent about your pricing and the value you provide to clients. Provide exceptional customer service. Focus on delivering outstanding customer service to build trust and loyalty with your clients. Continuously improve and educate yourself. Stay updated on the latest trends, research, and developments in the fitness industry. Invest in ongoing education and professional development opportunities, such as attending workshops and conferences. By following these steps and staying committed to delivering exceptional value to your clients, you can successfully launch and grow your virtual fitness coaching and personal training business as a student. And there you have it, folks. 3 exhilarating side hustles primed for students to conquer in 2024. Remember, the journey to success begins with a single step, fueled by determination, creativity, and unwavering dedication. Whether you're tutoring peers, crafting bespoke crafts, or venturing into the digital realm, the opportunities are endless. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never underestimate the power of your dreams. As you embark on your entrepreneurial voyage, may your hustle be fierce and your aspirations boundless. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and keep chasing your dreams.